Goddamn teenagers. Look at these teenagers here rocking out with their leather jackets and their long hair. Underage, hot sex. Goddamn teenagers. What do you teenagers think you're doing here? This is a place of higher education, not some teenage gossip girl thingy, amusement park, daycare center. Goddamn teenagers. Why don't you get a haircut and grow a beard or not grow a beard? You teenagers think you can just go around with your loud music everywhere, huh? How do you feel me playing my loud music on you? Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Yeah, I'm blasting you teenagers at your own game. I got my loud music too. You teenagers gonna stop being teenagers? Come on, teenagers. Come at me, teenagers.
One more year.
Yeah, ain't good enough for me. Your marijuana, your drugs, your dealing, your beer, your alcohol. Goddamn teenagers. Why don't you stop? Why don't you listen to good music? Justin Bieber's. Yeah, hey, you teenagers. Teenagers.